Welcome back to the BiGDUG studios, and here we are again for a new session of yoga. So we've changed the days for you this time, so we're going to do Tuesday nights at 6 p.m. or Wednesdays when you're home from lunch. Why not drop in and join us at 12:30. This time we're going to concentrate on beginners. It doesn't mean that if you're an improver you can't join us for a good stretch out. So each week then we're going to concentrate on different areas of the body. This week we concentrated on a full body stretch. Next week, for all of those of you wanting some work on your abdominals, join us.